Ben, are you finished with your homework?
Yes, Mom. I only have one math question left.
Good job. Dinner will be ready in about 20 minutes.
That smells delicious. What are we having?
Grilled chicken, mashed potatoes, and vegetables.
Perfect. I'm starving.
Can we watch a movie after dinner?
Sure, if everyone finishes their work first.
Deal! Go!
Max looks sleepy today.
He's my best friend!
I know he is. Oh no.
Mom? Is there something wrong?
Don't worry. It happens sometimes.
The neighbors' houses are dark too.
Good evening.
Thank you for calling City Electric. How may I help you?
Hello, I'd like to report a power outage.
May I have your address, please?
It's 25 Maple Street.
Thank you. One moment. Yes, we already have several reports from your area.
Do you know what happened?
A transformer has failed, but our repair team is already on the way.
That's good to hear. How long will it take?
The estimated 2 hours.
Okay. Is everything okay, Ben?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Did something happen at school today?
Some boys have been making fun of me.
What do you mean?
They laugh at me during lunch. They call me names. Sometimes they hide my backpack.
Oh, Ben, why didn't you tell us sooner?
I thought it would stop, but it keeps happening.
Has anyone pushed you?
Not yet, but they keep saying mean things.
Thank you for telling us. You did the right thing. We're going to help you. You don't have to face this alone.